My name is Jussi Sievers and I work as a plant manager. We are now in Ruudus Landscaping concrete product plant in Oulu, which is located in northern Finland. Domestic business operations Ruudus has in concrete and aggregate materials, concrete products and recycling. Ruudus is part of the leading building materials business in the world called CRH plc Group. We found MEC Inspections just by asking it from MEC Metal because we had a need to ensure our equipment to work as efficient as possible.
I am Jani Toropanen, CEO of MEC Metal. MEC Inspections is developed according to our customers' needs to figure it out of the situation for every electric part, automation or mechanical machine in production line. Knowledge of spare part availability and maintenance needs come in handy when planning for the next season and for keeping capacity at an optimal level all year around. We provide visually presented comparison to our industry-leading production line to see how your equipment fares against the competition. MEC Inspections is developed for our customers to keep up with your production machines and capacity.
This was a very eye-opening experience and it gave me knowledge that I didn't have before MEC Inspection. Well, I am satisfied to MEC Metal's MEC Inspections service.